Most solopreneurs are stuck in a cycle of overwork and under earning because they don't have a clear 90-day plan. If you don't know exactly what to focus on each day, you'll waste time on things that don't really move the needle. But today, I'm handing you my proven 90-day roadmap so you can work smarter and make more money. And guess what? Without burning out. All right. So, building a business as a solopreneur isn't about working harder. Yes, I'm all about hard work, but that's not what it's all about. It's about working on the right things in the right order. Okay. And that's exactly what a 90-day success roadmap does. It helps you focus, stay consistent, and create real momentum. All right. So let's break it down step by step. Step one, clarity and strategy. You can do this in days 1 through 30. Set your revenue goal. Decide exactly how much you want to make in the next 90 days. And then identify your core offer. Focus on one product or service that will bring in that income. All right. Simplify your systems. I use Asana for my project management tool, Google Drive, and then, of course, I love the full focus planner to map out tasks and content and sales activities. And then I want you to create a 30-day action plan. Break your goal into weekly tasks and then daily to-dos. Step two, consistency and visibility. This is days 31 through 60. Create magnetic content. You can use YouTube like I am here, email, social media. This will attract and nurture your leads. And then engage with potential clients. Reply to comments, DMs, emails, and do this daily to build trust and relationships. And then refine your workflow, automate and streamline tasks to free up more time for income generating activities. All right. And then measure what's working. You've got to use data, views, conversion, sales, all those things to adjust your approach and focus on what's driving results. All right. What's working. And step three, sales and scale. We can do this in days 61 to 90. You're going to ramp up your offers, increase in visibility, and drive more leads to your core offer. Optimize your sales process, fine-tune your sales page, follow up emails, calls to actions, all those things. And then leverage systems for growth. Use Asana, my project management tool by choice, to track leads, Google Calendar for scheduling and automating key processes. Then plan for the next 90 days. You're going to review your progress, celebrate, and then map out your next business growth phase. All right. So this is a solopreneur's blueprint for predictable income and business success, and in just 90 days. So get clear on your goals, your offers, your systems, then focus on consistency and creating content and engaging with your audience and refining your workflow. Finally, I want you to ramp up your sales, optimize your systems, and prepare for the next phase of growth. The best part, this roadmap is going to keep you focused on the right activities so you can stop feeling overwhelmed and start seeing results. All right. And if you are struggling with setting up your systems, setting up your templates, setting up your checklists, your workflows, I want you to jump into Vision Mastery Accelerator. It's $7 a month. I'll drop the link below. It's like a no-brainer. Your time is valuable. So let's make every minute count. All right. And to help you get even more out of your work week, I want you to be sure and watch the next video in this series. It's popping up on your screen right now if it's not already there. And I'll see you there.